up? Welcome back to my channel. My name is Deanna if you are new here. For today I have a very practical spring-ish, more like summer haul. I picked up a few things over the last couple weeks and let's get into what I got. So from H&M I picked up this cropped rib tank top. I already have one of these actually, and I literally wear it with every single outfit. So when I saw that it was back in stock, I decided to pick up another one just to have as a backup in case anything happens to the first one that I got. But when it came, I noticed that the coloring was a little bit different. This one is the white that I ordered, but in comparison to the one that I already have, this white is a lot more cream. This is the old one, this is the new one. I don't know if you'll be able to see the difference on camera, but this old one is way more white and this newer one is way more cream. And I picked it up in the beige color as well. So this is the very first one that I got in white, and then the new white, which is pretty much cream, and then the beige. This crop tank is one of the best in my opinion. That's why I decided to pick up a backup, because it is just a good thickness. It's not super thin, it's not see-through. I can wear this without a bra and not have to worry about anything showing through it. And I just want to make sure I always have one if I need it. Next, I picked up this cropped long sleeve rugby style shirt. I pretty much picked it up because of the brown in it. I have been wearing a lot of brown lately, so that's what really drew me to this. I knew it would be really comfortable and very practical and go with a lot of things that I already own. And speaking of practical, I grabbed some oversized t-shirts. I have a bunch of like graphic t-shirts already, but they're definitely not as oversized as these are, and I know for a fact in the summertime I want something that is a lot looser and not really fitted or form-fitting at all. So I picked up this oversized graphic tee in a size medium, and it just says Nirvana on the front. I am definitely one of those people that wears t-shirts of bands that they don't listen to. Call it a poser, call it imposter syndrome, whatever you want. I picked this up. I also picked up this Rolling Stones t-shirt. I got this one in an extra large. I'm pretty sure that was the only size that was left. I thought it was gonna end up being a little longer than the medium, but it essentially is just wider than the medium instead of longer, and they're pretty much the exact same length if I hold them up next to each other. So, and then lastly from H&M I got two button-down shirts. For me, button-down shirts replace like jackets or cardigans when the weather gets a lot warmer outside. And I've been wearing all of my linen button-down shirts to death, especially the white one. So I picked up this pink and white striped button-down shirt in a medium. The description said that it was already oversized, and when I looked at the reviews, they said it was really huge. So I just got it in a medium and decided not to size up any further. And then I picked up this solid blue cotton button-down shirt. I got this one in a large because the reviews didn't say anything about it being way too oversized like the pink and white striped one, and I definitely wanted it to be more on the looser side. Next up from Urban Outfitters, I picked up one random t-shirt. This is actually from the men's section, and the only problem I have with this t-shirt, which I actually should have known because this has happened to me before, I bought this in a medium thinking since it's men's it'll be oversized. I don't need to go up to a large because that'll be like way too big and it'll be like a dress on me. But since it is a men's t-shirt, it kind of tapers in at the waist and I can't get it over my hips. So I don't know if I'll just wear it like loosely draped or if I'll end up cropping it because yeah, I can't get it over my hips or my butt. The last thing I got from Urban Outfitters are a pair of Teva sandals. I am not at all opposed to the ugly dad sandal trend at all, especially if they're gonna be comfortable. But when I saw these, I just knew that if I ever were going to get a pair of these, that these would be the perfect ones. The straps are made out of a glittery gold material which I thought just made them even better and more of my style. And I feel like this pale champagne gold color is going to go with a lot of things that I already own. The very last thing that I picked up are these New Balance 327s. I picked these up because they are in a colorway that is very similar to the first pair of these that I saw online that I never got the chance to get because they were already sold out by the time I saw them. These I feel like popped up in an email from like Karma or something, and when I clicked on the link and saw that my size was available, I decided to hop on it because I know 327s sell out super fast. This is actually my third pair. I have two other colors that I bought last year and I love them to death. I feel like I hauled those two. Maybe they went in a video that I never uploaded, but yeah, this colorway definitely matches not only a lot of things that I already have, but a lot of things that are already in this haul. This particular pair are in kid sizes. I can fit a big kid's size 5 in these. With the kid sizes, the soles are actually a little smaller than they are on the women's, and I actually have a pair of women's, so I can grab those so you can see the difference. So here are the women's ones that I already have, and just for reference, I have a women's size 7 and these are kids size 5, and they're basically the exact same size. So the difference that I'm talking about is on the soles. You can probably see that the sole sticks out a little more on the sides for the women's one than they do on the kids one. You might be able to see it better on the bottoms, but yeah, so that's pretty much the only difference. The kids ones are $70 while the women's are $100. The only thing that I have noticed is that New Balance will do a colorway for men's and do the exact same colorway for kids, but the women's colorways are completely different. Like there's never really any crossover between all three. So if you see a men's colorway that you like and it's not available in women's, it'll most likely be available in kids. So that is it for today's haul. I will leave links for everything that is available down in the description box below. If you haven't already, please subscribe. We would love to have you join in on all the fun that goes on over here, and I'll see you in the next one.